Hello guys. Okay, I am back to continue with this new chapter that is copying and moving files. Okay, let's get back to the terminal and let's see the content of two directories. Okay, colors and new colors. Okay, we can see that colors has 3 files and new colors is empty. Okay, we have 2 directories. Now let's start with copy a file. To copy a file we need to specify the cp command followed by -v to make it verbose. Okay, let's specify the origin. It is going to be just a moment, colors directory. Okay, we're going to copy the green file, colors green file, to the new colors directory. Okay, if we want to copy other file such as red, it is going to be the same. Okay, if we run the tree command to the new colors directory, we are going to see that now that directory has 2 files. Okay, now that's the logic to copy files. Okay, if we want to move a file, let's say that we want to move the yellow file, we need to specify the same, but instead of copy we're going to move. Okay, move the yellow to new colors. Okay, as you can see, it was renamed or moved to this range. And we run the tree command, you can see that now it has 3 files. And we can see that colors now has just 2 files. The yellow was moved from colors to new colors. Okay, that's the logic. Now if we want to move all the files of the colors directory, we can run the following command. It's like I want to move all the files, not just one single file. I just specify the asterisk, that means all the files. Okay, to new colors. Let's run this and we're going to see this was moved to new colors and color reds to the same. If we make the tree command one more time, we can see the colors is empty now and new colors has all the colors. Okay, if we want to change the name of a specific file, we need to specify the origin, let's say yellow. Okay, it is going to be now called purple. Okay, we can see now that it has a new name. This is most of the content that we're going to see in this chapter. Something before we finish, remember that cp command has the help option available, as well as the mv. Okay, so this is most of the content that we are going to see in this chapter. See you in the next chapter, guys. See ya.